movies you watch, the books you read, the TikToks you watch, the music you listen to, the media you consume directly affects your vibrations. I cannot stress this enough. What you feel is what you attract. And media, like movies and music, have a very powerful ability to really affect our emotions and our feelings. That is why it is so important to pay attention to the media you surround yourself with and use it to your benefit. Today I'm going to be talking about music specifically, since I'm a musician and I make manifestation music that aligns your vibrations with what you want. And since this is the Madly Obsessed series, I'm going to talk about specifically my love manifestation song Madly, how it works, answering questions that you guys asked me on Instagram, and what you can do to make it most effective. Here's everything you need to know. Hi angels! Welcome to the last episode of the Madly Obsessed Love Manifestation series, inspired by my love manifestation song Madly. And what better way to finish the series by literally having an episode dedicated to the manifestation song. The link is in the description if you want to take a listen and step into your most romantic era yet. Before I get into this, just an FYI, I have like a whole video explaining exactly how manifestation music works. So I recommend you watching that video as well if you haven't already, because I'm not going to be talking about manifestation music as a whole, and we'll be focusing more on the song Madly specifically. First, most commonly asked question, what does my song Madly help manifest? With all my manifestation music that I create, I'm very specific about what instruments are used. The melodies, the lyrics, the vocals. They all work together to align your feelings, your emotions, thoughts, and vibrations to attract something specific. And while I'm making this song and writing it, if I'm not feeling that energy and I'm not feeling like my vibrations are aligned with the intention of what I want this song to manifest, I'm gonna keep working at it until it gets to that place. Different songs help manifest different things, and Madly specifically I feel like is a very healthy romantic song that I've written that I think is pretty different from my other love manifestation songs. Let me paint a picture for you. Imagine after years and years of searching, chasing, and heartbreak, you finally find your person. And something feels different with this one. You feel safe. You feel at peace. There's no more stress or doubt. You feel loved, you feel beautiful, and the relationship is just so incredibly passionate. You don't feel like you need to beg for that passion, like it's there. Everything is just so perfect, and you feel like you're on a high. Life doesn't feel real. It feels like you're almost in a fairy tale because everything's just too perfect, and they're everything you've dreamed of and more, and you're both just so madly infatuated and obsessed with each other, and life is good. This is what Madly is about, with lyrics describing exactly this situation in present tense as if it's already yours, the romantic production, the thousands of vocal stacks that make you feel like you're levitating. It basically just immerses you in this experience as if you're already living that as your reality. And like I said, the song is probably the healthiest love manifestation song I've ever made, because it's not just about you being magnetic to this person and having them obsessed with you. It's not one-sided. This song is about mutual obsession, mutual powerful love, and you loving them just as much as they love you. The equal intense passion coming from both sides. Them always treating you the way you've wanted to be treated, and you treating them with equal respect and love. The best relationships go both ways like this. And this is exactly what the song Madly is about and helps manifest. Can you use the song to strengthen a current relationship? I've had quite a few people ask this question because, of course, not everyone is looking to manifest an ex or a crush. Some people are looking to manifest stronger passion in their relationship and a more intense bond between you two. And the answer to your question? Absolutely. Out of all my songs, Madly is probably the best one for strengthening your relationship. Like I said, this song embodies the energy of a passionate, romantic, safe, secure, happy relationship where the love between you two is magnetic and intense. So when you listen to this song, you begin to radiate that energy as if your relationship was already thriving at that level. And since the universe always matches your energy, it will naturally reflect exactly what you're feeling back to you in a powerful way. Your lover will literally pick up on on this energy shift, and you might even notice them becoming more affectionate, more present, more drawn to you. Or maybe you start seeing them in a new light, appreciating the little things you haven't before, deepening your connection, or just start feeling this overwhelming sense of love for them. The universe might even nudge you towards inspired action, whether it's an idea for planning a special date, saying something sweet in the moment, or just surprising them in a way that strengthens your bond. The key is to align yourself with that feeling of passion and love and deep connection, because when you do, your reality has no choice but to follow. So this song can help you align with that energy and make exactly that happen. Now here's something exciting. Madly is the perfect song for manifesting your soulmate, your twin flame. What makes Madly so special is that you don't need to have a specific person in mind to manifest that perfect love. This song will attract the perfect person for you. The person that will make you feel exactly the same way the song makes you feel. I feel like there's something so magical to surrendering to the universe and just trusting that it's gonna bring you the most perfect, amazing love that you've always wanted. Because when that person does arrive into your life, you'll know that they were literally heaven sent. Like, the stars aligned for this person to be brought to you. Like, how magical and exciting is that? How romantic is that? So yes, you can use the song to manifest a specific person, but even better, you can use it to manifest your soulmate, or whoever it is that's going to make you feel exactly like this song. The true magic of Madly is that it'll pull you into your most romantic era of your life and aligning you with the love story that you've always dreamed of. My tip, if you want to use a song to manifest your soulmate, don't focus on a specific person. Instead, focus on the feeling it gives you. Let that energy take over and just watch as the universe delivers. Now let's talk about the Alice in Wonderland symbolism, because there are a lot of lyrics that make references to Alice in Wonderland, and people have been asking why. Wonderland is like this surreal, dreamlike place, full of magic, the impossible, and things that don't fully make sense. And let's be honest, isn't that kind of what being madly in love feels like? Falling in love is kind of like falling down the rabbit hole. It's just diving headfirst into the unknown, surrendering to the journey without knowing where it'll lead. In Alice in Wonderland, Alice follows this rabbit. She's curious, she's enchanted, she feels like something is pulling her towards this rabbit like a magnet. Kind of like the magnetic pull of love. This like hypnotic, intoxicating, unreal feeling. It's not about chasing, it's about being swept up in something greater, and just as if the universe is just pulling you towards this thing, towards your person. Basically, Alice in Wonderland, the whole message that I kind of have from the story is that it's about, curiosity, self-discovery, and just embracing the unknown. And in Wonderland, there's no such thing as logic. Things are not logical. And that's kind of how you have to look at real life, We gotta live in our little Delulu land to get what we want, because the things that seem impossible are actually possible. So we need to embrace this Delulu-ness, this imagination and perspective, and we're gonna find ourselves living in our own little wonderland. Alice realizes that reality is fluid, and the things that she believed were impossible in fact are possible, and she just needed to let go of fear and trust the journey. So yeah, I just feel like the whole story's message kind of aligns with manifestation and reality and just how the universe works. So I've had a few questions asking about whether this song can be used during your love spells, your manifestation methods, rituals, whatever. This song radiates love in its purest, strongest, healthiest form. So whether you're doing love spells or writing affirmations in your journal, doing mirror work and singing the songs to yourself in the mirror, visualizing the most perfect scenario with your specific person, or even if you're just simply listening to it as you get ready in the morning for school, this song powerfully pulls in more love into your reality. There are no rules to manifestation music. They're simply a tool to help align your vibration. So yes, it can accompany your spells, your manifestations, or just your everyday life. And if you don't want to do any methods, then even just listening is so powerful. The lyrics are in present tense, so sing along as if it's already your reality. Feel it as if it's already your reality. Let the music consume you, every instrument, every vocal. Let it take over your body. Let the energy and the vibrations of the song just boost your vibrations. Remember what I said in the beginning? The media you consume affects your vibrations and what you attract. Keep that in mind. Take advantage of that power and consume media that is on the frequency of what you want to attract. Whatever it is you're doing, if you feel the love vibration from the song, it's working. Love is actually the most powerful vibration to ever exist. So this song has like incredible power. But if you want to do some manifestation methods to accompany the song, again, I recommend you checking out that music manifestation video I posted, because that like dives super deep into the whole concept of manifestation music. Angels, allow Madly to be your love manifestation anthem, the song that represents the fairy tale love that you've always dreamed of. Use the power of music. If you have any more questions on the song and manifestation or anything, let me know in the comments and I'll reply to as many as I can. Thank you so much for watching. Like I said, this is the final episode of the Madly Obsessed Love Manifestation series, but there is so much more content and advice that's coming. Thank you so much for joining me in this romantic era, and I'm so excited to see all the amazing things you're gonna manifest. Remember, you are the creator of your reality. You can literally manifest everything and anything you want. It doesn't matter how impossible it seems, because it's all just in perspective. One person might think something's impossible, but you know that that actually is possible, because with the universe, anything is possible. And also, I just want to say I'm so proud of you in everything you've manifested so far. Even if it's just tiny little things, that's already a big win, and as you do it more, it'll become easier and you'll manifest bigger and bigger things. And yeah, I'm really excited for you. Also, thank you for all the love on the song. Oh my god, I've been loving seeing everyone's results and it working for you. That's like my biggest goal, to just, you know, help you create exactly the reality you want. And being able to do that through my art it's just like such a special thing, and I'm just super grateful that I get to do this and help you. And please, if you have any results, please share them in the comments, or you can DM me on Instagram, and it just helps show people that others can do it. And if I can do it and you can do it, so can everyone else. Now go listen to Madly and enjoy this romantic era. I love you! Mwah!